Namaskar. In this presentation, I'll be talking about the new home science optional batches for Odisha Public Service Commission OS, which is going to start in July at Bhubaneswar and Cuttack, and also the e-learning batches for home science. So first, an overview of our own classes. It was set up in 2011 by ex-international civil servant from United Nations, Dr. Sohag Sundar Nanda. It offers comprehensive coaching for UPSC and PSC and excellent results since 2011. You can check the detailed results. Why to join our own classes? So we have a very small batch size of around 20 students, which is important to ensure your writing skill development. Okay, so personal guidance can be assured, exclusive study materials and test series, most cost-effective education, and excellent previous results. So one general confusion among aspirants is that which optional should I take? There are so many optionals, and those who are not taking their own domain subjects. So it is the same thing for them if they're taking optional A or optional B, because they are going to start from the very beginning. So how to choose your optionals, I have already made videos for that, how to choose your optionals. So you can go through that video. 3-4 things are there which you should take into mind while choosing optionals. Number one, previous year marks. Okay, for example, OPSC mark sheets are available for all optionals for 2016 and 17. So you check how the optional which you are planning to take has fared in that, right? So that is one thing. Second, availability of study material and the syllabus. Okay, if the syllabus is very long or short, and the time which you can devote. Another important thing is that, see, there are basically two types of optionals in OPSC, because we don't know if OPSC does scaling like UPSC. So in UPSC, all subjects are equally good. Okay, if your answer is correct, if you have taken some literature subject also, you can top, like many students have done. So that is because they have this scaling system. Okay, although the details of that it is not known, but for OPSC we don't know whether they scale or they give the marks which you have secured, right? So what happens in that case? It is very difficult for someone with who has taken a literature of a subject to compete with someone who has taken subjects like, let's say, psychology or statistics, mathematics. Okay, so home science is one of those subjects where it is very highly scoring subject. Okay, home science, because the subject is not a part of the UPSC list. As a result, what happens is the awareness about home science is relatively lesser. Okay, but as you must be knowing that the OPSC is planning to change the pattern of exam, just like UPSC, to have only one optional and 2 other papers will be added to GS. So when you are taking those one optional, that optional has to be highly scoring. Okay, so you see the previous mark, what optional has got what kind of marks, and also see the median score also. Okay, most students what they have scored. So home science, why home science is quite tempting. Number one, it is very highly mark fetching. Okay, like in 2017, it was the subject which got the maximum score in optional, that is 261 if I am not wrong. Its syllabus is relatively very short. For example, paper 1 section A, food and nutrition, that thing mostly in life science you must have studied that. Okay, similarly extension education, that is paper 2 section B, a lot of things in community development and all already you must be knowing. Okay, so short syllabus. Next, since it is a home science, it is a scientific subject, so there is a scope of lot of figures and diagrams which really increases the marks. Okay, and another important thing when you are choosing optionals is what is the position of that optional in the OPSC timetable, because OPSC's timetable is almost fixed, okay, and home science generally comes at the end, okay. History, political science, public administration, these will all come in the beginning, okay, but home science will come at the end of the exam schedule, so you can get some time, right? But the most important thing is home science is quite short and it's highly scoring, okay. So coming to the new batches, the classroom batches, at Bhubaneswar we are starting the home science classroom batch, new batch, that is from July 6th, and the schedule is every Saturday and Sunday 3 hours each, 8 AM to 11 AM. Similarly at Cuttack it starts July 27, same every Saturday and Sunday, timing is 5 PM to 8 PM, okay. And those who are unable to come to the class, then you can also subscribe to the e-learning batches, okay. So e-learning batch is available, the same class which is the classroom batch is recorded, okay. Each of the class is recorded and that is shared with those who are who have subscribed, and the same test series etc you will be getting. So coming to the course fee, for the classroom course fee it is 25,000 lump sum. It includes your study material and your test series also. For e-learning students, the course fee is 15,000 lump sum, okay, that also includes your study material and your test series. So if you have any questions regarding this, the new batches and all, you can contact. If you want to contact me directly, you can WhatsApp or Telegram me at 9437002210, or if you want to directly call the centers, Bhubaneswar Center 76840-54656, and if you want to call Cuttack Center 732-590-4599. Okay, so best wishes for those who are taking home science as their optional. Okay, go through the previous year's mark list. If you are unable to get it, then WhatsApp or Telegram me, I'll send you the mark list. Take some time, take 1-2 days, okay. Take an informed decision about selection of optionals. Thank you.